Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Monday, July 30th, 2018. Well, the cycle that I have called, folks, I said that if it was going to happen, it was going to happen last week or start last week because you had the longest lunar eclipse in over 100 years. You had the maximum Mercury retrograde period last week. That was the week that the markets were telling me they were going to start their sell-off, and it engaged like a monster on Friday. You're seeing follow-through today. Take a look at the spiders down a $1.45 or so. The QQQ is really where the bloodbath's going on. Take a look at the drop from Friday all the way into today's Monday, and even look at the top here. I mean, this was a perfect little top. You had a gap down reversal, 100% reversal on Thursday, follow through on Friday, follow through today. This is where you're going right now in the short term. I would not even be surprised if we hit that today. Now, because I knew this was coming, I energized with shorts in the research center and put options in the options alerts. I just want to show you a couple of these, folks. Take a look at Take Two. This is one of my proud trades here. Look at this, folks. Beautiful double top. This is where we shorted it or bought puts last week. Look at this, right up here, right at the highs. Double top. Puts engaged in literally 1, 2, 3, 4 days. I covered them today right down here, 100 and I think it was about 100% or just under 100% on these put options. I think on these it was the October 110s, and they just blossomed. Massive gain. I mean, think about that, 100%, boom, just like that, a few days. Another one, take a look at this, Adobe. This was a great trading opportunity. I had a strong short signal right up here on Adobe. Multiple factors coming to fruition, and look at the fall in the last 2 days. I netted 122+% in Adobe puts with members in the options alerts. I'm telling you, folks, the options are on fire. Just today, basically 200+ winners in the options alerts. I mean, this is where it's at right now, folks. The research center's also in the money on multiple plays right now, just to give you a sense of what we're short. Intuit right here. Look at the fall on Intuit. I mean, this is just one of them. We're about $6-7 in the money on this. If you look at, shorts on the semiconductors, the stocks, we're in the stocks right now. That's having a nice little update. It's an inverse ETF being short the semiconductors. Good bull flag here, good retrace. This should blossom north of $12 in the coming days. This is where it's at. Take a look at this, folks. Here's In The Money Stocks website. Again, I can't show the whole thing because it doesn't fit quite the screen, but as you can see, this is the home page. Take a look right here. Research Center options alerts. Go to the options alerts right there. You want to get involved in the options. Take a look. It's only $100 a month, and literally today alone, we had 200% winners here. Here's our track record. Every trade is posted here. All right, and look. All right, look at all these winners, first of all, just recently. I mean, this is insane, folks. All right. Then you can see there are a few losers, 7%, 25, even a one that expired worthless down here, 22%. I mean, we don't try to hide the losses here. I mean, this is it. This is every trade there. All right. Every trade's been accounted for. There's another 100 down there. But look at all these other ones, 100, 50, 30, 72, 110, 80. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, just monstrous. Monstrous gains. Look at the net gain here. 2,075%. Now, let's just say you're being a super conservative trader and putting like 2% of your account in each trade. Think about what you're up just by doing that alone. I mean, it's insane. And think about 2% in a trade. I mean, just even in a $10,000 account, folks. I mean, you've probably doubled it, if not tripled it by now. I mean, it's incredible. The other one, take a look at the Research Center, folks. Research Center has a 7-day free trial here. Take the 7-day free trial. We're crushing it there. Daily analysis video, daily market report. These are everyday occurrences. 2 videos every single day with updates on the market, on positions, etc. Then you have the hot charts, which is where our live alerts go out when we buy a swing trade, when we sell a swing trade. It's right there. Your No Hype live broadcast. Those are 2 weekly broadcasts live where you get to enter, you get to ask questions of the pros, myself and my partner. There it is. If you want to see the track record for the Research Center, go to here, click on there. There it is, folks. Look at this gain. I mean, this is incredible, folks. These are swing trades. These aren't options. 509%, just like that. You can see there are some losers out there. There's no doubt about it. But the key is, anyone who tells you they don't have losers is BS. I mean, that's just nonsense, folks. No one's perfect. Here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, I have a proven track record since I started the company of batting over 80%. That's 8 out of every 10, which still means I'm going to have 2 losers out of every 10 trades. That's okay. I'm telling you right now, no hedge fund does better. No big player. I mean, this is the best. This is the best, folks. Ask our members. Feel free. I mean, this is where it's at, folks. All right. Um, I'll give you a little teaser here. Recently, we actually sold APRN recently at the highs. We then bought it on a retrace made literally within the same day. Look at this, the 23rd, and we sold on the 23rd, 11%. And there's another buying opportunity. Let me go to the chart here. This is the last little teaser I'll give you. Right down here. This is where you buy it again for a quick, probably 10-20% gain right here. I would say anything below 240, you get gravy train right there. Beautiful opportunity on APRN for a long swing trade. All right, folks. Again, in the money stocks is the place to be. This is where members are literally printing money. You should have seen the chat room today. We day traded 4 day trades in the morning, all winners. 3 of them were on Facebook alone, and we were netting like within a minute or two over 50 cents per trade on Facebook off our levels. I mean, it was like boom, 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 boom. And people in the chat. I mean, some did options on it and netted $1,000 on that trade. I mean, some did day trades and netted 1,700, 1,500. I mean, it's just incredible. That's the chat room, by the way. So there's also that option, the intraday stock chat. You're more than welcome to join us there as well. All right, guys, I got to get going. Back to trading. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.